This is Death by Audio's Rooms Stereo Reverberator. It's a digital reverb, and we're going to make this riff a lot more ambient sounding. So let's go ahead and turn this on. You'll notice that it got a little bit louder because this dry signal is a little bit louder. And let's turn up that reverb time. And so the frequency and depth knobs, these change different parameters depending on the preset that you're on. So let's see what this does. Right, so that's clearly changing the frequency of the reverb. Let's give it a little bit more time. What I like about this is the amount of control that you have over like the mix of your reverb. So if you want more dry signal, more of the effects, that's great. Let's scroll over to wave reverb, which is a little bit intense. It's almost like a warble sort of effect. Give it a little bit more time as well. There's another switch here that allows you to access another set of controls, so F, D, and T. So this allows you to switch between two different frequency, depth, and time settings. So let's say on this top half you want this to be like a really long reverb, and then on the bottom half you could have, a much shorter reverb. And you could just switch back and forth between the two. Obviously this is really good for like a guitar sort of setting, where you could just use your foot to tap back and forth depending on maybe what section of the song you're in. And so that is an example of using Death by Audio's Rooms with a synthesizer. Hopefully this points you in the right direction.